how to change your phone number on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your phone number on Bybit. First of all, open the Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in from the main home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now, from the expanded menu on the next page, click on the gear icon at the top right. This will open User Center. Now, click Security from the top and tap on Mobile option. On the next page, you'll need to verify your phone number first. Go ahead and tap on Get Code. Now you'll receive an SMS where you will see the 6-digit verification code. Just type in the code right where it says Send Verification Code to, which looks like an email right here. Tap on Get Code and you'll receive a verification code via email. Now go open up the email from Bybit and you'll see this code. Go copy that inside your email. Get back to Bybit app and paste in the code. If you've set up Google Authenticator, then you can also go ahead and open up the Google Authenticator app and paste in the code generated from there in the last field. After pasting it, click Confirm. On the next page, you'll get to change your phone number. Go ahead and enter the phone number. Also make sure to verify the phone number that you've just added by entering the 6-digit code sent to you via SMS, and you'll be able to change your phone number right away. So that's the process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.